touch that. Don't touch, Molly. You'll knock it off. Leave it. Leave it. I'm warning you. The cat just nearly knocked the camcorder off the wall. I don't know. What can you do with them? So stupid. Just doing a test, see how this camcorder performs with focus and resolution from a distance, from close up to distance. Try it again. Whoops, get that go. Right, take it off. Get off. That hurts. Be good boy. Be good. Stop. No. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is the infamous Mally. But he doesn't like being picked up or held. As you can probably tell. So he's trying to dig his claws into my neck. Yes. Isn't that right, Molly? I'm gonna have a close-up. There you go. See yourself? Can you see yourself on the screen? Look. Can you see? I know it's a bit dark with the sun and well, the daylight's not exactly sunny at the minute. I can hardly see a thing myself. Never mind you. And you only see in black and white, I think, don't you? Molly, look towards the camera. You've got a lot of fans out there, you know. Hell of a lot of fans. No, don't turn away. They've all seen your video where you're getting, you know, with the brush. Getting brushed. So say hello to your fans. All two of them. Yes, you've got a big following on YouTube, I know that. You've got 2 fans. About 2. Actually, 2 might be stretching it a bit. You've probably got like 1.5. Alright, go back up there. You're covered in hairs now. Molly, don't put your tail in front of the camera. Molly, he's heading towards the camera again. But he didn't knock it off. It's on the little mini tripod on the wall, and he nearly knocked it off. Black cats and white t-shirts are not a good combination, I can tell you. There he is again. Molly! Molly! What you doing up there? You're always up there. Always up there. Molly! Psst. Molly! What you doing up there? Huh? Psst. I can see you, Molly. Molly! Molly! Here I am next to an apple tree, which is actually in next door's garden, not this one. It's just that it's so big it's sort of like hanging over the fence here into our garden. So here's an apple right here. If I can just get a shot. There you go. Got quite a few on at the minute, but I don't think they're properly grown yet. I think we've got to get a bit bigger yet. What? Say that again, Molly. Molly, say that again. And again. I know what. Tickle these feet. That works. Well, hope you enjoyed this up close and personal visit with me and Molly. Okay, so thanks for watching.